नमस्ते सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और आज हम लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे स्टॉक मार्केट लाइव अपडेट्स के बारे में। स्टॉक मार्केट लाइव अपडेट्स गिव निफ्टी इंडिकेट्स ए फर्म state US HCL market gain. Sensex Today stock market live updates January 13, 2026. The S&P 500 and the registered record closing high on Monday with shares of technology companies and retailer Walmart gaining, and as investors mostly brushed aside concern about the U.S. Justice Department's criminal investigation of Federal Reserve shares Jerome Powell. Srikan Sohan, head equity research Kotak Security. Today the benchmark indices witnessed a sharp recovery from the lower level. The Nifty ended 107 points higher while the Sensex was up by 302 points. Among sectors, the metal index outperforms today, rallying over 2%, whereas the realty and media indices hit over 1%. Technically, after an early morning intraday sharp sell-off, the market took supported near 25,500 oblique 82,700 and bounced back sharply from the day's lowest points. The market bounced back over 300 oblique 1,200 points, which is largely positive. We are of the view that the entire market texture is positive, but buy on dips and sell on the rails would be the ideal strategy for the day trader. On the downside, 25,650 oblique 83,500 and 25,600 oblique 83,300 would act as key supported zones, while 25,900 to 25,950 oblique 84,300 to 84,500 could serve as immediate resistance areas of the bulls. However, below 25,600 to 83,300, statement could change. If that happens, trader may consider exiting the longer position. First, take to globe cues to watch the today trade. Selling by fields continued for a sixth consecutive session on January 12 as the sole equities worth around 3,638 crore in contracts deal remain net buys and purchasing equity worth over 5,800 crore. Sensex today S&P though hit closing record high, Walmart Tech climb.